Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now we have to enter the software information and find a special number which is called a build number. Right now let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and if you've got any kind of screen lock, simply enter it to confirm. Now we can move to this left section again, and after scrolling down we can see the developer options, so let's tap. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the USB audio routing, we can show hardware layers update, change the window animation scale, we can show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking, so a lot of options. And basically all you have to do in order to turn on the option is to tap on the switcher, and from now on your device will display the option, of course. If you want to, you can turn it off the same way, and if you've got the option without the switcher, like here, all you have to do is to tap on the option to open more settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Simply tap on the switcher at the top, and as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and basically after getting back, you can see that they will disappear from this list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.